Hey there, financial friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down money moves to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from Barclays to Sophie in 2025. With the banking world evolving fast, transferring funds has never been simpler, but we'll walk you through it step by step to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're switching accounts or just sending money over, this guide is tailored for 2025's updated features, like enhanced security and faster processing times. First things first, make sure you have your Barclays and Sophie accounts set up and verified. Start by logging into your Barclays app or website. It's super user-friendly. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. Here, you'll select External Transfer as your option. Now, you'll need to enter your Sophie account details. That means inputting the routing number and account number. Double-check these to avoid any delays. Sophie's routing number is typically, insert generic example, like 123456789, but always confirm on their site for accuracy. Next, specify the amount you want to transfer and add a memo if needed, like account funding. In 2025, Barclays might prompt you for additional two-factor authentication, so have your phone handy for that verification code. Hit Confirm, and voila! Your transfer is initiated. Processing times can vary, but with 2025's improvements, ACH transfers often take just 1 to 2 business days. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Watch out for any transfer fees. Barclays might charge for outgoing transfers, so check your account settings first. Also, ensure your Sophie account is linked and active to receive the funds. If you run into issues, like a rejected transfer, contact Barclays customer support right away. They're available 24/7 in 2025. And there you have it. You've just mastered transferring money from Barclays to Sophie. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for more financial tips. What's your next money move? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.